Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Abolish. Abolish. Abolish means formally put end to. For example, the tax was abolished in 1977. The tax was abolished in 1977. Synonyms: put an end to, do away with, get rid of. Abuse. Abuse. Abuse means misuse. For example, the judge abused his power by imposing the fines. The judge abused his power by imposing the fines. Synonyms: misuse, misapply, misemploy. Accelerate. Accelerate. Accelerate means begin to move more quickly. For example, the car accelerated toward her. The car accelerated toward her. Accumulate. Accumulate. Accumulate means gather together or acquire increasing number or quantity of. For example, investigators have yet to accumulate enough evidence. Investigators have yet to accumulate enough evidence. Synonyms: gather, collect, assemble. Adhere. Adhere. Adhere means stick fast to. For example, paint won't adhere well to a greasy surface. Paint won't adhere well to a greasy surface. Synonyms: stick, stick fast, cling. Administer. Administer. Administer means manage. For example, each school was administered separately. Each school was administered separately. Synonyms: manage, direct, control. Advocate. Advocate. Advocate means recommend, support. For example, they advocated an ethical foreign policy. They advocated an ethical foreign policy. Synonyms: recommend, prescribe, commend. Alert. Alert. Alert means warn of danger. For example, he alerted people to the dangers of smoking. He alerted people to the dangers of smoking. Synonyms: warn, notify, apprise. Align. Align. Align means arrange in straight line. For example, gently brush the surface to align the fibers. Gently brush the surface to align the fibers. Synonyms: line up, range, arrange in line. Allege. Allege. Allege means claim or assert that someone has done something illegal or wrong. For example, he alleged that he had been assaulted. He alleged that he had been assaulted. Synonyms: claim, assert, declare. Allocate. Allocate. Allocate means distribute resources or duties for particular purpose. For example, the authorities allocated 50,000 places to refugees. The authorities allocated 50,000 places to refugees. Synonyms: allot, assign, issue. Amend. Amend. Amend means make minor changes in. For example, the rule was amended to apply only to non-members. The rule was amended to apply only to non-members. Synonyms: revise, alter, change. Applaud. Applaud. Applaud means show approval or praise by clapping. For example, the crowd whistled and applauded. The crowd whistled and applauded. Synonyms: clap, cheer, whistle. Appoint. Appoint. Appoint means assign a role. For example, she has been appointed to the board. She has been appointed to the board. Synonyms: nominate, name, designate. Articulate. Articulate. Articulate means express fluently and coherently. For example, they were unable to articulate their emotions. They were unable to articulate their emotions. Synonyms: express, give expression to, voice. Aspire. Aspire. Aspire means direct one's hopes or ambitions towards achieving something. For example, we never thought that we might aspire to those heights. We never thought that we might aspire to those heights. Synonyms: desire, desire to, aim for. Assault. Assault. Assault means attack. For example, he pleaded guilty to assaulting a police officer. He pleaded guilty to assaulting a police officer. Synonyms: hit, strike, physically attack. Assemble. Assemble. Assemble means gather together. For example, a crowd had assembled outside the gates. A crowd had assembled outside the gates. Synonyms: come together, get together, gather. Assert. Assert. Assert means state fact or belief confidently. For example, the company asserts that the cuts will not affect development. The company asserts that the cuts will not affect development. Synonyms: declare, maintain, contend. Attain. Attain. Attain means succeed in achieving. For example, clarify your objectives and ways of attaining them. Clarify your objectives and ways of attaining them. Synonyms: achieve, accomplish, reach.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.